Hi first graders, welcome to Say It, Map It, Tap It with Mrs. Pappin. Today we're going to be working on our blends. I can identify, blend, and spell words with our blends. All right, here we go. What we're going to do first is we're going to say the word. So Mrs. Pappin will say the word. Then I'm going to tap out each sound. I'm going to touch my fingers and tap for each sound. And then after we've tapped all the sounds, all four sounds, then we're going to blend the word together. Okay? So here goes Mrs. Pappin. Here we go. Our first word is frog. Can you say frog with me, first graders? Frog. You can see the R blend there. It's F-R. Okay, frog. So I'm going to say the word frog, and then I'm going to tap it. F-R-A-G. Frog. Okay, do it with me now. Let's say the word frog, and let's tap it. F-R-A-G. Frog. One more time. Let's say the word frog, frog, and let's tap it. F-R-A-G. Frog. All right, my friends, next you're going to map the word frog. For each sound, you're going to put one sound in each box on the second page. You're going to see boxes, 4 boxes. You're going to put one sound in each box. So here we go. I want you to map it. F-R-A-G. Frog. And it should look like this. One sound in each box for your R blends. Very good. We're going to do our next word. First, we're going to say it, and then we're going to tap it, and last of all, we're going to map it. The next word is drop. And we're going to tap it. D-R-A-P. Drop. D-R-A-P. Drop. D-R-A-P. Drop. Now Mrs. Pappin would like you to map drop. Drop. D-R-A-P. Drop. And drop should look like this. Drop. All right. Our last word we're going to try this morning is the word crop. Crops are different things that you grow on a farm, different plants that you grow, like the corn crop. You grow some corn, or the bean crop. Okay? Here we go. Crop. Let's tap it. K-R-A-P. Crop. K-R-A-P. Crop. K-R-A-P. Crop. Now Mrs. Pappin would like you to map it. One sound in each box. K-R-A-P. Crop. And crop should look like this. Crop. One sound in each box. All right, friends. Thank you for doing Say It, Tap It, Map It with me today. Have a good day. Work hard.